What up, K9 fam? Doubleheader today. We were up in Orange County, now we're back down. Fontana, getting it done, putting that grind in. Paw Factory. You've got to come out here. It is insane. This guy's got everything. Awesome location. Come on out. Anything you need, pet supplies. Tell him I said hello. K9 fam, if there's ever a time to support those local businesses, it's now. Tripe, biotin, goat's milk, and we got the weight gainer, animal protein, animal fat, multivitamin, joint support, and they all mimic the raw diet. So that all of them have organ meats, muscle meats, and bones. And then we add in other ingredients that move you towards that. But this is our latest supplement, the puppy food. It's legit. Yeah. But these your pups here? Yeah. So the multivitamin and the joint. This is our original stack. So we call it Mother Nature stack. So it's going to lubricate the joints, support those muscle tissues as they get older. Yeah, and then we'll see what happens with joints, right? People think when the dogs are older, you're already digging out of the hole. I tell them you can start them as soon as possible. Now you're going to lubricate those joints.
It's like having on Paw Factory.
Yeah, and it's the quality of life. Then when you match that, stack that with a multivitamin, which is so it's powder form. Use your Ziploc, right? The scoop is in it. You just read the back and you mix it right into the food. Wet, dry, canned, kibble, doesn't matter. You say, how much should I start them? And I say, ideally, before they're even created, give it to the pregnant mama. Then just run it out. But yeah, you got plenty of time before you have to start digging out of a hole full of joints. What's your name, man?
Nelson.
I'm Dave. Pleasure, brother. Yeah, we'll hook up on IG as well.
There's the guy right here.
There he is.
K9 Supplements.
The founder.
K9 Supplements, baby.
Let's do it.
K9 Supplements. Woo!
Yeah, man. I was just telling your man Nelson.
Yeah. Nelson, you better get on it, boy.
They're 2 and 4 years old, man. Get those nutrients in them. Guys, this is what I mean about what good people these people are, Sean and Erica. They literally have another feed store here that they promote. They actually have their banner inside their place. They're the type of people you want to do business with. They're the type of people you want to associate with. That's as real as it gets right there. Pedley, which is another one of our stores.
You're hosting it? Oh man, I'm gonna try. Because there's gonna be a little people, right? And I looked up and like, I can't
You too, brother. You got it. You good? How's everything?
out here telling you my time.
That's it? You got a break?
Yeah, man, I'm over there.
I didn't see.
Alright guys, quick announcement before we start with the rest of the ring. We got Dave, my brother right here from K9 Super Supplement, is gonna be throwing away some. Alright, again, sorry to cut off. Dave from K9 Super Supplement is gonna be throwing some hats, doing some giveaways, man. Right here, we're gonna give him the mic. Dave.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. You guys ready to have some fun? Who wants some free gifts? Who wants some free gifts? Whoever's the loudest gets the free gifts. But it goes a little, there's a little more to it. Whoever gets a hat, we got 3 hats. Whoever gets a hat, if you take a pic and you DM me or put it on my Instagram, you DM me your information and you will get free products sent right to your home. So you ready? We're gonna go each side. The loudest one gets the hat. one more time.
Gotta throw them up.
My bad. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Whoever got the hat, take a pic. Hit me up. Tag me on IG. You will get free product sent to your house.
That's my boy. I'll make your friends see it.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. All right, that was K9 Supplements right there, man. Dave, make sure you guys give him a follow on Instagram. Get your K9 Supplements.
What up, K9 fam? Thanks for coming out. Hey, if you got any value from this, make sure you like, share, and stay tuned. K9 Super Supplements, YouTube. We got plenty more day in the life. K9 Super Supplements, bringing them back to their primal roots.